you're prepared to break the silence.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm glad you clicked on this video and I hope you watch it until the end.
But I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am doubting on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
Today I will be doing a detailed video of how I deep clean my room, and I always start with my bed. I change my beddings, and of late I have been loving white beddings, so I did all white with a bit of orange.
Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am doubting on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close to the You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want
I wiped everything on the end tables, followed by my dresser, and here I dusted all my makeup and everything on top of it. Then I finished off with my chest of drawers because they were all very dusty.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said.
I also wiped the window because it's the first thing to get dust, then swept the floor, followed by mopping.
It's wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my
For mopping the floor, I used warm water, a bit of soap, Star Soft, Magni multipurpose floor cleaner, Magni antibacterial, and Jig to keep the mop white and clean.
You are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery. Take a backpack of what you need. Let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I would stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far. Through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
I added the runner off camera and I had to vacuum it a bit.
Waiting for time to defeat our demons, and there's a sparkle in your eye that believes in feelings. You can find a paradise within your heart. You can find what I despise within your mind. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I would stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far. Through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the
Thanks a lot for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so to help this channel grow. Bye.